Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable sidebar on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search floating window. From here, just scroll down and download this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. From here, just tap on this arrow icon. Now just tap on grant now. From here, just give this app these permissions. Now just tap on enable now. From here, just tap on floating apps and enable this toggle on the screen. And once you do that, just go back. From here, just tap on this arrow icon. Now just tap on close. From here, if you scroll down, now just tap on floating menu. From here, just make sure you enable floating menu. Now, if you go to your home screen and if you swipe from the left side on your smartphone, you will open the sidebar on your smartphone. And from here, you can open any app in a floating window. Just like that. And from here, you can close all the windows. And this is how you can enable sidebar on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.